Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our nurses watching right now and to all our live audiences today. Welcome to Town Kids FB page. I am Rachel Ohastro, marketing specialist of Town Kids, and we have yet again another guest for you guys, no? Ayan, nandito po si Mr. J. Mijares. Hello po, sir.
Hello, good evening. Good evening sa mga nanonood dito sa States and good morning sa inyo dyan sa Philippines.
Ayan, kamusta po kayo ngayon?
Well, okay naman. Today actually is my off day. So I had the entire day to rest but I ran some errands. So okay naman.
Thank you so much, sir, for accepting this interview. No, I know lahat po ng mga nanonood natin ngayon, our live audiences are now excited to hear your story, sir. So without further ado, can you introduce us? Sino po si Sir Jamie Harris and paano siya nagsimula kay Town Kids?
Yeah. So hi everyone again and my name is Jay Mijares. I'm originally from Davao City, Philippines. And my background is I graduated 2009 and as some of you may know, especially yung mga kabatch ko, like it was really hard to land a job during that time. And during our time, our experience was like we have to pay pa para maka-experience sa hospital. So after that, I had the opportunity to move to Singapore and work there. And then I worked in corporate for 13 years. And then during COVID, I decided to go back to nursing. I tried NCLEX and passed. And then after passing, I found towns and the rest is history. Andito na nga ako ngayon sa States.
So how was your process, sir, mula recruitment, nung naghahanap pa po kayo, sir, up till now?
Actually, like sobrang bilis ng taon, especially during the current days of Visa Bulletin. Sobrang bilis. Like they are on track every single kung ano yung sinasabi nila sa marketing from like 2 weeks of re-release na yung PD, they're on time. And then from DQ, and then nangyari lang yung retrogression. So that's yun lang yung hindrance para mapabagal yung processing namin. But
Mm.
so far, it was very smooth and then very informative and very clear yung Towns team kung ano yung gagawin namin every process of the way. Mhm.
So with that, sir, no, tama po ba yung pagkaintindi ko, sir, nung nag-apply po kayo kay Town Kids, hindi pa po retrogression?
Hindi pa retrogression. So, I think few months pa. Like, I think 2 or 3 months current until nag-retrogression.
So mga
Mhm.
ilang years po kayo, sir, naghintay nung nag-retro at the time?
2 years. Bilang na bilang ko
Mm.
kasi initan ko talaga yun ng Philippines. So from Singapore, nag-resign na ako doon kasi mabilis na to. Lilipad na ako ng States. And then boom. Mm-mm.
How was your process, sir, sa 2 years? Ano pong nangyari?
So, ang nangyari, before ako umuwi ng Philippines from Singapore, DQ na ako. So, um, while waiting, medyo mabagal yung movement ng visa bulletin actually. However, meron silang pattern. Like sometimes 3 months, merong 2 weeks. But however, meron pa rin movement. So most of us are still very optimistic na no
Mm.
matter what, aalis at aalis pa rin. Hindi lang natin alam kung kailan.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Bale, kumbaga, sir, that nakakaano po 'yun, no, nakaka-proud on my end, sir, na hearing that na talagang hinintay niyo po yung years na yung 2 years and you trusted Town Kids talaga po that they will not abandon with this, sir, no? And during moments like this, sir, parang can you elaborate or can you tell us, sir, what kind of support that
Mm.
Town Kids gave you at those times na naghihintay po kayo?
Well, napakaraming support. I think they provided a lot of things in order for you to prepare papunta dito sa US before your deployment. So, like as I mentioned earlier, so umuwi na ako ng Philippines and I waited in the Philippines for 2 years. And during that time, syempre mas pinili ko maging productive while waiting. So, some things like visibility, hindi naman talaga natin makakontrol yun. And then all we have to do is to wait. But I think you just have to be very optimistic and then prepare yourself because like sooner or later, darating din yung hinihintay mo. So what I did and also what Towns did was like they had series of pediatric trainings, and then yung pediatric training sa parang yung ginagawa ko lang siya dati parang kino-comply ko lang, pero nung andito na ako very useful yun siya. And then kung ano yung tinuturo nila, yun talagang actual na gagawin mo sa mga pasyente mo. And then aside from that, on my end naman, although towns did not require like hospital experience, which is totally fine. But sa akin naman, since umuwi na ako ng Philippines, andun na ako, and hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. So I applied for a job in the hospital. So I stayed there for 1.5 years. So I work in med surge. That So yun yung initiative ko for myself, at least to prepare, and then mas malesen yung anxiety ko sa pagpunta ko sa States, and mas nakaka-help sa akin ngayon na meron akong konting baong confidence whenever I render services or care to my patients. And then, so as I mentioned, pediatric training, we had simulation. So yun din, like very, very useful yun. Kasi yung pediatric training mostly is like theory. So they will just give you like, some theories like kung ano yung mga common diseases na ma-encounter mo sa mga pasyente mo. However, yung simulation, the difference is that ito yung talagang technical skills mo, kung anong gagawin mo, yung nursing skills mo na babaonin mo before ka magiging hands-on doon sa pasyente mo. And then, of course, series of kamustahan. Well, dati ay hindi ko napuntahan, or wala akong napuntahan. Most of kasi nasa Davao ako or either nasa Singapore ako. So most of the kamustahan I attended online lang. And through that, no, like very useful, and I would like to thank the Town Kids team, and also especially like US and Philippines, kasi very like small gesture, pero like during those times ang dami namin naririnig ng mga kabatch ko, like friends from other agencies and employers nare-resend, na-abandon. And then yung presence kasi ng town throughout the process, even current or retrogression, hindi kayo walang dead air. So parating nag-a-update, pumupunta sila Miss Mindy dito sa Philippines. So that gesture reassured me na this employer will not abandon our case. And eventually, like, we will still achieve our American dream. Mhm.
And ngayon, sir, now that you are there in the US, may I know, sir, what kind of support naman po that you are getting from Town Kids na ngayon nasa in duty ka na, sir, or
Mhm.
meet with your patient na?
As a USRNS.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I can't say a lot, no, kasi 3 months pa lang ako dito. But so far, my experience with Town, ano, um, smooth, and then everything na anong sinabi nila before we were deployed. Walang surprise. Everything is we are prepared. Merong mga minor, syempre hindi mo naman talaga maiwasan kasi some of those things are like your daily living na gagawin na. Pero like as a USRN, I think ang support na na-observe ko is like, especially pag merong 24/7 kang matatawagan. And then sometimes, like even like kasi some of my shift, natatapos ako ng 2 a.m. May magte-text sa'yo, and then how are you doing? And then the Philippine team will call you like, are you okay? Kung hindi ka naka-reply. Oo. So like, you know that you are really supported, you know na meron kang matatawagan, you're not alone there, even though physically you're alone with the patient, but 24/7, even though your US team are like asleep, pero meron kang matatawagan 24/7. And of course, you have community. So pagdating mo pa lang dito, you are not alone. Oo. Meron ng community naghihintay sa'yo na they are ready to support you, like they're there to give you advices, what are the necessary things na mas magandang gawin, kasi of course coming here is quite overwhelming. Ang daming information, like from setting up your banks, your insurances, finding the right places for your houses or your apartment, um ano pa mga ways para mas makatipid ka, like grocery and stuff. So, very overwhelming siya. Pero you have your community na kasi dito. The team itself, yung ating clinical team, Filipino lahat. So, hindi lang clinical lang finifeed nila sa inyo during orientation. like your life as an immigrant here, like mas easy kung ano yung mas way na easier for you. Mhm.
So, well supported po talaga kayo, sir, no?
Yeah. Mhm.
That's good. That's really good to know. And may I know, sir, how about your patients, sir, or your family? Kamusta naman po sila? How are they treating you? Kasi, sir, yung, kumbaga yung home care, hindi talaga siya ganun kasikat, 'di ba? Sa mga
Mhm.
Filipino nurses
Mhm.
most especially, no. But in your experience, sir, how would you tell your experiences po to those nurses?
Well, I really like that question, no, kasi syempre sa Philippines hindi siya familiar kung ano yung home health. Like most of nurses, like ang akala nila home care is yung mag-aalaga ng ng geriatrics. But I think before you sign or before you like really sign the contract, you really need to study or like understand like what is home health if this job is really for you, which I really did. And then so far naman, applicable talaga siya sa akin. Like, I only have 1.5 year experience as a nurse. And also, like, I really like the one-on-one patient. Like, siya lang talaga yung, atupagin mo. Like, from, from, kung ano yung pinakakailangan niya from the morning and to the evening, uh, ikaw talaga ang magkikare lahat. So, coming from that experience, mas easier for you to adjust kasi isang pasyente. And then eventually, like, you will be more familiar with him. Like, hindi na everyday, unlike kung mag-work ka sa hospital or facility, like, hindi mo alam kung ilan yung pasyente mo, sino yung pasyente mo, ilan ang admission. But dito, wala kang anxiety na coming to work because you know very well the patient. You know the routine, you know the medication, and so far naman sa 3 months ko, like, kaya sobra akong happy na napili ko yung home health kasi work-wise, like, 1 to 1.5 months lang akong nag-adjust and then I settled quickly. And then, another thing is the family. So, syempre, like, ikaw pumasok sa bahay nila, you have to adjust and like whatever religion they have, kung ano yung culture nila, you really have to practice. I mean, like, not to practice, I mean to respect. If they are their diet is kosher or halal, you have to respect that. And yun, you just have to adjust and then respect whatever religion they have so that mas magiging there's harmony between you and the family and mayroon kayong magandang working relationship kasi sila yung ka- so-called katrabaho mo doon eh, like the PCG or the mother and the father. And with my relationship with the family of my client is amazing. Sobrang accepting sila, sobrang bait. And then right now we have a good working relationship so far. Mhm.
That's
Although
good.
like you have to keep it professional.
Mhm.
Hindi pa rin na so feeling close ka rin masyado kasi nurse ka. Oo.
Mm-mm. And with this, sir, knowing, of course, we have our live audiences right here now. Most of the watchers right now are nurses, sir. What would you say to those nurses na gustong mag-US, no? Pero hesitant kay Town Kids kasi home health. Do you have any message or
Mhm.
tips for them?
Well, depende kasi eh. Like, you really have to know like kung ano yung priorities mo at saka ano yung capabilities mo. And then, of course, you have to check also the credibility of the agency or your employer. And then second is you have to know if this job or this kind of um, this job as a home health nurse is really for you kasi pagdating mo dito, um, it's gonna be your passion na kasi yung parang nagtatrabaho ka at the same time you love it because inaral mo na to at saka alam mong familiar ka na dito. So my advice, um, if you want something na more um, hindi naman easy. I wouldn't say easy. Like maybe lighter sa stress mo na ma-experience mo sa SNF or hospital, well, go with home health. Oo. Go with home health kasi mas hindi lahat ng case naman sinasabi ko easy. Merong mga severe or like heavy acuity talaga. Pero, as I mentioned earlier, you will get familiarized with it. Yung kung magti-trade ka, everyday mong gagawin, definitely after 30 days of duty, napaka-easy na lang. Sectioning, takot ka dati, pero everyday mong gagawin, it will be like, ano na lang, like may muscle memory ka na. Oo. So, kung sa tingin mo na mas okay sa iyo itong klase, go with towns. Klaseng ano, nursing ano type. Mhm.
Sir, you mentioned, sir, that they should look for the credibility of the
Mhm.
agency. So for this question, sir, may I know what qualities should nurses look for when choosing an agency, no, or a company?
Well, number one is their track record. Kung ano, ilang nurses nang napadeploy nila. Number two is like legitimate. Ba talaga sila? Like merong POEA licenses and stuff, and then talagang totoong US employer. And then third is talk to the nurses na andun na. Oo. Like they are the real KPI of the agency and employer. Wala naman, hindi ko naman sinasabi na super perfect, everything is perfect. Merong mga challenges of course. Pero syempre, like those challenges, part yun na part yun ng journey mo talaga. Oo. And then, ang town kids naman is very honest kung ano yung mga challenges namin dito. And then I think very diligent din sila to prepare us. Uh, kung ano yung mga ano um, expected na mga challenges financially, emotionally, schedules, or like mga lahat ng mga gagawin namin while we're settling here. So, I think ano din, credibility. So, I know like marami naman tayo narinig mga negativities. Like every agency is like we heard a lot of negativities, no? So, that's why I think kung what I suggest for those who are planning to come here in the States and with towns, talk to the nurses who came here and they can give you an honest opinion. Mhm.
With this, sir, what support from Town Kids, sir, continues to help you succeed? Ngayong nandyan ka na po sa USA.
Mhm. I think, ano din naman, like, as I mentioned, 3 months pa lang ako dito. And the support that I felt is like since we got here, merong kasing career growth na kasi ang sinasabi ang towns. And then they offer you a lot of maraming trainings and at the same time developments for your career that eventually yung trajectory as a nurse is like will prosper to any positions that you aspire. And aside from that, um, meron silang ano, clinical, ano yung tawag nun clinicians that they specialize on your development as a nurse. Like, meron sinabi sa akin sila Ma'am Jazz and Ma'am Jen na like after 6 months or after a year, they will reevaluate your performance. And then eventually, like if you are doing a good job, you will be like rewarded um, with cash or a promotion or a position. Mhm.
So with this, sir, parang you are assured, no, sir, that you have your growth, no?
Mm.
Of course, so long as you're staying in Town Kids, there in the
Mhm.
US.
Yeah. Mm.
Mm. And with this, sir, may I know, knowing no na 3 months pa lang kayo in Town Kids, they're in the US. So far, sir, what, how did Town Kids impacted you, your personal life, sir, and your family's life?
Um, well, of course, yung malaking impact talaga is they really helped me to achieve this dream, this American dream. Because I thought na hindi ko na to gagawin because like I think it was too late. And then given the situation, wala ako sa nursing before. And they really impacted in terms of like giving me this opportunity again to work as a nurse, and hindi lang nurse sa US pa. So that opportunity alone like really changed my life. Mhm. And also like being hindi lang siya achieving your dream, is also you're contributing to the community here in New Jersey, helping the family. Kasi um sometimes you would be like, you know, na kailangan ka ng family. You know what I mean? Like, pag, syempre kung wala silang nurse, hindi makakagalaw yung nanay because they have to take care of their patient or their children, and then meron pa silang ibang gagawin. So, you alone is making an impact not only for yourself, but for the community and for the family you're helping them para mas ma-alleviate yung yung situation nila, like taking care of their child.
And so
Mhm.
this next question naman po sir, no, or for those Filipino nurses who are hesitant naman to take their NCLEX, what would be your advice or message to them?
Well, dun naman talaga nagsisimula yung yung planning natin. Well, we always question ourselves na if like kaya pa ba? Of course, like you have to gauge yourself also financially because NLEX is not cheap, and your preparation, kailangan mo ng time, maraming time to study. But I think just do it now kasi hindi mo naman talaga malalaman if you're ready or not. But have the courage, and then faith in yourself, and of course kay God na you can pass and ace the NCLEX, and eventually you will achieve your American dream. Mhm.
That's a very good answer, sir. No, with this,
Mhm.
sir, um, yes, of course you are in Town Kids, sir. No, but would you recommend Town Kids to those nurses, and why
Of,
po?
marami na akong kinire-recommend. Oo. I would recommend because so far my experience here is really like amazing. Mhm. Hindi perfect, pero everything goes smoothly and as planned. Oh, since the day that I signed the contract with Town, the process, like I don't have any hassle. Like the team, US and Philippine team, they really work together. Not only with like kung ano yung department, but they really work with you. They really inform you and really brief you like kung anong status na ng process mo, ng case mo. So you will never feel lost in terms kasi medyo overwhelming din naman kasi ang process ng US journey natin, no? Pero like with Towns, they really explain everything from signing the contract up to the deployment stage. You will never feel lost. So I think um, what I can suggest is that do it now, and eventually magagain mo rin yung courage and trust sa sarili mo na you can do that, and you will achieve your American dream. Mhm.
That's right, nurses. Kaya naman sa lahat po ng nanonood ngayon, no, now, tama po si Sir J, now is the perfect
That
time
time now.
to do
Mhm.
it. Sir, we are
Mhm.
actually down to our last two questions. Ayan, sir, before we end, no. Sir, what is one way to describe your whole Town Kids journey? Or one word, sorry, one word to describe.
One word to describe. Well, I would say that mm, one word lang to talaga.
Ay, maraming words po.
Mm, I would just say that I thank God that I've made the right choice. Yeah.
Mm.
Kasi, as I think paulit-ulit ako, sa adjustment with work, hindi ako masyadong nahirapan. Kasi expected ko na siya. And then, I know already what is home health nursing before coming here. And I'm so happy talaga na ito yung pinili ko na trabaho as a nurse here in the States. Because, as I said, ang daming gagawin for settling in, and job-wise, hindi siya ganun kabigat. Mhm.
Right. And for
Mhm.
my last question, sir,
Mhm.
this is a very big question, no, sir. Do you trust Town Kids and why po?
Of course, I trust Town Kids. After all, like they really changed my. They helped me to really achieve my dreams. Yeah, so I really trust them, and I look forward na to prosper or like to really like grow my career with Town Kids.
We look forward to that as well, sir. Thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you so much for all your incredible big decisions, no? Lalo na po pinili nyo talaga si Town. And of course, for your trust as well in Town Kids. You are a blessing, sir, to Town Kids and to your patient. Syempre,
Mhm.
sir, no? Thank you so much, sir, for the experiences and the story that you told us today.
Mhm. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. And with that, sir, no, we end our interview. Again, thank you so much, sir, for all your incredible answers. And for this last one, sir, do you have any shout out, no, to your families or relatives, sir, in the Philippines?
Wala naman. Oo. Hi everyone. Yeah, kung sino man nakakapanood nito, hello, good evening. And sa mga friends ko still thinking to take the nursing exam, the NCLEX, take now and come with downs.
Thank you so much. And guys, everyone, that's it. And we
Mhm.
again thank Sir Jamie Harris for this lovely interview. Thank you again, Sir Jay. At magkita-kita po ulit tayo sa ating pong next interview here in Town Kids FB page. Again, I'm Rachel Ohastro, Marketing Specialist, wishing you lots of love and have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Sir
so much,
Jay.
Michelle. Bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.